Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am trying to fixing my passion fruit. This is come from Hawaii, Maui, Hawaii, and I bought them from Hawaii just the seed, right? And I just put on the pot, and they grow, they grow, and they grow. So I'm gonna make them a beautiful because beautiful booth. I heard this says, this is passion fruits good for you. I believe the leaf you can make the tea, but the reason why I'm trying to grow them and beautiful and be patient with them to fix them. Basically today I forgot to show you earlier. I put the four pole five to support them to stand up. See that they got the boost like that, and they got the hand cramp it down. So all I do just try to keep them tangled to one to another, and I just keep them look beautiful. And I cannot wait to see if they can grow the fruit for me, guys. Okay, let me try to make it beautiful. So yes, as you can see right there. Yep, beautiful. I have so many plants. I love plant in my house. One is day I'm gonna go get bigger house than this and try to just decoration only the plant in my house. I just love plants so much, guys. If you would look at my channel, my plant is not like regular. It's not like only just flower for nothing. I love flower, don't get me wrong, right? And I fix and all my plant I plant, they benefits to the house. It's benefit everything, benefit to eat. This is longan, very easy to grow. Just put the seed in the dirt, it just grow for me. This one another passion fruit again. I'm gonna take care of them early because the first one I don't know how to take care right now. I know, just give them the wood or stand to climb up. Second passion fruit, and this one right here is guava. Of course, I love guava so much. I eat this. I eat guava. I put the seed on the they grow for me. This one I put them twin because reason why I do twin guava in one part right here, because I don't have enough room to just let them stay single. See that? So I just tune up. New soil right here. And this one, olive, guys, olive, Laos, Lao, Laos olive. But when they grow the fruit, the fruit is sour. Okay, they grow every year. Now they try to grow the leaf, and later on they will grow the flower and produce the fruit. Over here, that's a panda from that one. They grow the baby. The panda. You can make the tea, you can make dessert, you can make the cake, anything you want to do that smell good flavor. This is baby. That one just flower. They're beautiful. I keep them. This one, I don't know what's the name of this. The leaves so slimy. You can make smoothie, and they say benefits to your body, and they grow beautiful. Money tree, guys. Money tree. People believe when you have money tree, when you have the baby coming out, they say you have to give to friend and family to lucky, because you have to keep away when the baby come out, right? And that lucky bamboo. I love the plant, but my house very small right now. Come back to my passion fruit, and take care of them like a baby. So whatever the leaf, if the tangle, try to take it out, make them beautiful. They're happy to be like, freedom. So that's what I'm doing today. All the leaves on the floor, I have to take it out because there's so much. Take it out and throw away and fix them. The tree, they love to talk to. If you talk to them, oh my God, like a baby. They just grow and beautiful, like a baby. And this right here, aloe vera, good thing to have in the house, because when you get burned or get burned, say like that. So you can take this one and then put in where you burn at, and they're helping to cool you down. I just repotting yesterday. They're so happy to get the new pot. You see that? And this one is herb, Lao herb. They call nang lợt. We call nang lợt, right? I don't know English because this is at Laos we call it herb. People love this. When you eat this one, a lot of the benefits. So that's what I'm doing. I take care like a baby. There's a benefit, all kind of benefits. So I plant them. This is the main one. the grandfather, grandmother right here. So I take this from that and put in this part right here. In case my friend, she says she want, and I get ready for her. Right here, look at this. Usually be low and short, you know, depend how you control, you know, you control, they grow like that. If you cut short, they're gonna grow more. But you know what, this is, everything I do is different than everybody else do. What I know, I just let them grow and grow tall, and then I put the pole on and tight. And then look at that, you look at that, it's beautiful like flower. And plus, if you want to eat, this is for the wrapping with we call pan pa, right? Fish wrapping, any kind of wrap you can eat with, you know, it's so good, smell delicious. It is the herb, special herb. That's the reason why everything I plant in the house had to benefit eating. I love flower, don't get me wrong, but not much. This one, jasmine flower. This is almost 20 years. When I got this one, only one stem. Now how much they grow. A lot of baby, a lot of hand, a lot of stem come up. So let them be there. And this one, key lime leaf. You know, we eat the leaf when we make curry or we make pad thai. I mean, Thai food, Lao food. And we use this leaf for everything. Even the soup or tom yum soup. This is the main one. When you have tom yum, you gotta have lemongrass. I just put in there, they grow for me. You have to have lemongrass, and they have to have key lime leaf. Okay guys, that one flower is nothing, that's a flower, not really anything. I just keep them in there because they want to live like everybody else, you know. It's another money tree. Money tree, guys, when you take care very well, they grow the baby. You see the baby just about to grow. That's one, the baby right there, you can give to friend and family to make a lucky. When you have a lot that you have to share to your loved one. I can go on and on. This avocado, here we go again. I eat avocado, I keep the seed, I put in the dirt, and they grow up for me. This is like 2 years. Avocado. I want to see how much I can grow avocado. Can they produce the fruit or not? That little one right there, that's mint. This is Asian mint. We love, very popular. We call Pak Khao Thong. Pak Khao Thong, guys. And this one from Hawaii again, we call mak kantin. Kantin, we eat the seed, we eat the leaf, we eat with anything. We eat with salad, papaya salad. This is so good right here, the leaf right here. And this one flower. Do you know flower? This one. When you go to Hawaii, did you see the picture, the lady in the airplane? The flower right here they put on the ear. That's the flower right there. This we call dog jampa. Yep, you're just going to airline and Hawaii airline. You see the lady in the airplane, right? The picture, and they put the picture, the flower in the ear. That's the one right there. Oh my God, I go on and on. Anybody know you can plant your own coffee tree? Coffee tree. This is 2 years. That's how much they can grow from Hawaii again. I bring the seed from Hawaii, throw on the dirt, they grow again. I have two coffee tree, guys. Beautiful. Lemongrass everywhere, you know. Of course, I have lemongrass. I just put there, here and there. This one tangerine from Hawaii too. They grow. See how much they can grow. Small one, a big one. And everybody says the watercress is so much benefit. And I'm trying to grow them. I bought them 2 bunch and I just put about 4 or 5 stems. They grow for me, guys. I cannot wait how much they can grow, so that when enough I can throw on the smoothie, you know. So this is just only 1 week ago. I put them in the pot right here. It looks so far so good, right? One more thing, one more. This is another baby passion fruit, right? I have to move them. The one I show you, the big bush right there. One more. That's exactly flower from the Hawaii airline. That's a baby one. I cannot believe they come out from here, the baby. So I put in the pot by themselves. This flower, I don't know what's the flower name. Yep, that's a baby of dog jampa right here, guys. You know, I love plant. You know, my plant everywhere. That's a money tree. That's a father money of a baby tree. If you take If I take it out, this one put a new part, they will grow bigger. The reason why they're not bigger because the part's very small, and I like it like that. You know, just leave it like that. Lemongrass, see that? Cut off the bottom of the root, put on the dirt, and they grow. A lot of benefit. I eat a lot of lemongrass in my food, you know, in my cooking. One more time, I have to share with you. I don't know English call this name. And in Laos and Thailand we call dog dao hyang. Dao hyang. Dog that means flower, dao hyang is the name. This plant right here, it's to kick out the bird. If you put it outside, if the bird try to come to bother your plant, they will. You plant this one, nobody touch it. Every bird, they just fly away on their own. You don't have to kill them at all. So they protect the your garden. I put inside the house because outside I have a lot of it. Just put inside the house, so they kick out the bird or spider or the fly, thing like that. They can stay longer because they don't like the smell, and the flower is so beautiful. Okay, that's it. I have to show you because I have so much plants, small little house at mine. One day I'm going to get big house so I can decorate. And you guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I can see you next video coming up. You cannot miss, guys. Some special plant you guys don't ever see. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.